Focus on the headlights, and they are faded and yellow, nasty looking, compared to, BAM! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Whoa.
I am impressed. Thumbs up for AUXITO, man. Here we are with this focus and the headlight job. You guys seen the fade here? This is nasty ugly. So we're gonna go ahead and have Mikey Mike over here sand it with 1000 grit. And also we'll be trying out new light bulbs that we have received from AUXITO. And thank you so much, AUXITO, for sending us the light bulbs, and we will do unpackaging and so on and see the difference of the original and AUXITO. All right, Mikey Mike, go ahead and give me a shot. So this is what we have now. See that yellow? And high beams. That's the high beam. All right, let's get started. Once again, I want to thank AUXITO for sending us these light bulbs for the 2016 Ford Focus. Obviously, I have the headlights right here, ready to install these light bulbs. Let's go ahead and unpackage it. Check it out. Very nice. AUXITO LED lights. Take it. That's one package. Let's do the second one. This is the other package. Okay, there it is. So 6500K white H1. One of these are high beams and one is the regular. So let's see which one's which. Packaging is amazing on these things, man. Look at this. This is baller. Check this out. Okay. There you go. Very impressed with the packaging. Awesome. Manual, everything's here, installation manual. And right now, we'll try to install them. We'll figure out which one's high beam, which one's not, because I haven't done this in a while. Okay, let's open these up. Here's the high beams right here.
So the small box contains the high beam bulbs compared to the OEM ones. Big difference. Look at that. As for modifications, we have to remove one of the wiring terminals from the connector to connect the new bulbs.
Here we go. That one installed. The high beam gave me a little trouble, but it still worked good. The regular low beam, the regular light turned out perfect. And here we go here again, high beam. And then the other one turned out perfect too. Easy to install. Like I said, the high beam gave me a little bit more trouble, but this is a Focus, 2016 Ford Focus, so I'm pretty sure every vehicle has its own little thing. Okay, let's go try them out on the vehicle. Dang! That's bright! Dang, that is bright. This is just your regular beam. Look at this. All right, man, I am impressed. Hey, David, go ahead and give us some high beams. Check this out. God, you can't see. Oh my gosh, they're bright. Look at that. That is bright. All right, hit the, wow. I am impressed. Thumbs up for AUXITO, man. All right, thank you, AUXITO. Thumbs up for you for sending us the awesome light bulbs, the LED lights. You guys seen the miraculous miracle of going from yellow to bright, bright white. That actually blinds you. I had to take a minute just to get my eyes refreshed. However, if you order the same light bulbs for your car, if you need some, you will get 15% discount if you order through the link below in my description. So once again, thank you, AUXITO, for sending us these awesome light bulbs. I really needed them because I didn't have the high beams for my set. Very, very impressed with the product. So guys, if you need some light bulbs, click on the link below and you get 15% discount. See you guys next time.